Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Graphing Review with Coach C. Now in economics we use graphs pretty often just to show a nice organized visual of the relationships between data that we're going to be talking about. So we wanted to give you a little bit of a refresher on the basics of how to graph. So first up, this is what our graphs are normally going to look like, sort of an L shape. There will always be a title. So the first thing that you should do if we're asking you to graph something is add a title, because the title of course communicates what this graph is showing us. So next up we have what's called the x-axis, and that is this horizontal line right here. The x-axis, sometimes it'll matter what goes there, sometimes it won't. It sort of just depends on the type of graph we're having you draw, but I promise we'll let you know when we get there. Now on the x-axis, we're going to always add our tick marks. Now this first one here that's even with this vertical line is called the 0 point, and we always want you to add the 0 point. Now, as we go along the x-axis, as we go to the right, the numbers increase, right? Sorry about that, that's real ugly, but you get what my point is, right? So every tick mark we add after this, the numbers will start going up. Okay, in the same way, the vertical line is called the y-axis, right? So this is what we're talking about here, the y-axis. It has a 0 point that is even with this horizontal line, or as we just went over, the x-axis. Make sure you always draw that 0 point as well. And as we go up the y-axis, as we go this way, again, the numbers increase. So my next tick point will be 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and it'll go up just like that. Okay? So please make sure you add all of this to your graph every time we ask you to graph it, and please do not invert your numbers. They always increase as you go up or as you go to the right.